Alright, so today we're going to demonstrate and talk about how to replace and exchange our surge protectors on our new XP20 and 21 sensor. So the first thing you'll do is you'll loosen these 4 screws on an XP20. They're located here, here, here. There's one more right there. And you'll loosen all these to come out. And then you'll remove the surge card, grab your new one, insert it back. And it is keyed, so you can't put it in wrong. And then you will adjust these screws and tighten them back in. Then you will follow almost the same exact procedure for our XP21 sensor. You will loosen all 6 of these screws, pull out your existing card, put in your new surge card, and off you go.